How to apply silicone sealant to bathroom sink. All right. Your first step would be to gather your tools and materials. Start by getting everything you need ready, such as a silicone sealant, a caulking gun, a utility knife, masking tape, and cloth. And then once you're done gathering all those supplies, you can now easily clean the area by removing the old sealant and cleaning the surface so the new silicone sticks properly. And then once you're done, apply your masking tape by using the masking tape along the edges to get a clean, straight line. Once you're done there, you can now simply apply the silicone sealant by cutting the tip of the sealant tube, load it into the caulking gun, and apply a smooth and even bead along the gap. And then once you're done there, you can smooth the sealant by using your finger or a smoothing tool to shape the sealant out evenly. And then after that, just remove the tape and let it dry. And that's it, guys. That's how you can actually go about this. Once you're done, just simply apply the sealant round where you need it to be.